Carson Park is an Eau Claire landmark, and its renovation fund is working hard to make it accessible for people of all abilities.
City recognized, initially that, hey, we need to do something with these first and third base bleachers. We would replace that with theater-style seating on both sides.
The city of Eau Claire has committed $1.5 million to the project. Users of the stadium are attempting to raise $1.5 million. Faunis says there's approximately $700,000 to go.
There's about 150 to 175 games/events held here each year, and we estimate about 75 to 100,000 visitors to the stadium each summer. Concessions and bathroom facilities are quite limited in the stadium, so we would add new bathroom facilities and concession areas underneath each of those grandstand seats. We would add and make more accessible the seating for our fans with mobility issues. And any of us from the baseball community here in Eau Claire would say they're some of our most ardent fans.
Tuesday, Charter Bank announced it would donate $50,000 to the renovation fund.
We saw that Carson Park was in need of money. We know this is one of Eau Claire's crown jewels, so we thought we had to step up. There's more than just baseball, and anything we can do to support that and help our future economic growth in Eau Claire we feel is very important.
Anybody who's lived in this community for any period of time knows that Charter has been a great community supporter in many different ways. We're also thankful for the folks that have contributed $10. All shapes and sizes of contributions are welcome.
And every monetary donation is tax deductible. In Eau Claire, Evan Denton, News 18.